Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash and Coffee, your go-to place for crypto clarity. Are you stuck in Binance's KYC process? Maybe your ID got rejected or your selfie isn't matching. Don't worry, in this video, I'll break down the most common KYC issues on Binance in 2025 and exactly how to fix each one. Let's save your account from delays, shall we? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. Binance uses it to verify your identity before letting you deposit, withdraw, or trade freely. There are three main KYC levels: basic verification, ID and selfie; intermediate verification, proof of address; advanced verification, source of funds. KYC is mandatory in most countries now, especially for higher limits, but the process can get tricky. Let's start with the most common headache: ID document rejection. Reasons this happens: blurry photo, cropped edges, expired ID, not matching your name. Fix: use a high-res photo, show all four corners, make sure the document is valid and matches your Binance account name. Use a passport or national ID. Driver's licenses often fail. Next up, the dreaded face verification error. You're asked to turn your head, blink, or follow a motion, and it fails. Causes: poor lighting, wearing glasses or mask, moving too fast or slow. Fix: try again in natural light. Remove glasses or headgear. Use the Binance app. It works better than desktop. Be slow and steady. No sudden movements. You uploaded your utility bill or bank statement, but Binance still says rejected. Here's why. Document is older than 90 days. No name or address visible. Screenshots instead of PDFs. Watermarked or altered files. Fix: use a recent utility bill, bank statement, or tax letter. Make sure it shows your full name and address. Upload original PDFs, no cropped screenshots. Avoid editing the file in any way. If your KYC has been under review for more than 48 to 72 hours, something's off. Reasons: system backlog, manual review needed, incomplete documents. Fix: contact Binance support through chat. Submit a ticket with your reference number. Avoid resubmitting over and over. It restarts your queue. Be patient but proactive. Tried multiple times and now your account is locked for 24 to 72 hours? Binance locks accounts to prevent fraud if too many failed attempts are detected. Fix: wait until the lock expires. Don't try again repeatedly. It will extend the cooldown. Prepare your documents properly before retrying. If locked too long, open a support ticket and request manual review. Some users get stuck because of where they live. Binance has stricter rules in certain countries like the US, UK, and EU due to regulation. If your country is unsupported, KYC might fail even if your documents are valid. Fix: check Binance's list of supported countries. Avoid using VPNs or false addresses. It will flag your account. If you've moved, update your location in your Binance profile. Want to avoid all this trouble from the beginning? Here are 5 golden rules. Use official documents only. Match the name on your ID to your Binance profile exactly. Upload clear, uncropped files in good lighting. Use the Binance app for smoother selfie verification. Don't rush. 1 clean submission is better than 5 bad ones. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, here's your last resort. Go to Binance's support page. Submit a detailed ticket, attach your ID and screenshots, include your account email, and explain the problem. Request escalation if it's been more than 5 days. They do respond, but be respectful and patient. Let's wrap this up with a quick checklist. Use valid high-res documents. Follow all format and date requirements. Don't use VPNs. Reach out to support when stuck. KYC doesn't have to be a nightmare, but you just need the right strategy. Thanks for watching. If this helped you solve your Binance KYC issue, drop a like and share this video. Subscribe to Cash and Coffee for more crypto tutorials, investing tips, and real user guides. Got a KYC problem we didn't cover? Leave a comment. I'll answer every one.